Good day everyone, I am Eliza Labarejos and I am one of the demonstrator this afternoon. So are you ready to listen? Ready na? Ready na? Aha, aha. Aha, aha. Ready na? Ready na. Okay, as I guess that you are all ready. So, class, who among of you can still remember the last topic that we discussed? Okay, Mr. Cordero, what are the last topic that we discussed? Good job! So the last topic that we discussed is all about the male reproductive organs. So class, I want you to be ready because I have 5 questions here for you to answer. And I will call your name randomly. Then here is the first question. So, what is the external muscular male organ where the urine and semen pass out? Okay, Miss Arididon, can you answer the question? Okay, very good. The answer is penis. So, and the second question is, what male part that holds the testes? Miss Cindy. Very good. The answer is scrotum. And the third question is, the male reproductive organ for reproduction. Miss Masaring, what is your answer? Great job. The answer is testes. And the last and the fourth question is, it is the tube that stores sperm cells. Miss Abugho, what is your answer? Very good. It is the epidermis. And the last question is, it is the secreted fluid which nourishes the sperm. Dichos, what is your answer? Very good. The answer is prostate gland. So, okay class, can you please give them a very good clap? Because that's the proof that you really listened to the last discussion, last meeting. Okay class, I have some jumbled word here. And I want every one of you to answer because later on, I will call your name randomly for you to arrange the word. I will give you only 3 minutes to answer. And the time will start now. Okay, time's up. Okay, Miss Arididon, what is the word that you form from this jumbled word? Very good. It is vagina. Okay, Miss Abong, from the number 2 jumble word, what is the word that you formed? Very good. It is egg cell. So, Miss Abandula, from the number 3 jumble word, what is the word that you formed? Very good. It is ovary. Okay, Miss Cindy, from the number 4 jumble word, what is the word that you formed? Very good. It is a cervix. Miss Arias, from the 5th jumble word, what is the word that you formed? Very good. It is uterus. From your own observation from this jumble word, what do you think is our topic this afternoon? Mr. Salvadora, on your own observation, what is our topic this afternoon? Very good. It is the parts of female reproductive system. Can you please give Mr. Salvadora a very good clap? So now, our topic is all about the parts and function of female reproductive system. So what is female reproductive system? Before I will start our formal discussion, I will introduce to you our learning outcomes. The first is, the learner should be able to draw a model of female reproductive system. The second is, the learners will identify the parts of female reproductive system. And also, the third is, the learners can describe the female reproductive system. And class, I have a paper and a marker here and I want you to imagine and draw a female reproductive system. I only give you 2 minutes to draw it and the time will start now. Wow, it's a great job. Thank you for your cooperation, children. And now we're going to proceed to our proper discussion. So what is female reproductive system? Female reproductive system is a group of organs in a woman's body that work together to help in producing eggs or ova, allowing fertilization and supporting pregnancy and child's birth. The female reproductive system has 5 major parts, and that's are the ovary, cervix, fallopian tube, vagina, and uterus. So, first, what is ovary? Okay, an ovary is one of a pair of female reproductive glands that produces eggs and female hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Located on either side of the uterus, ovaries are essential for the menstrual cycle, fertility, and pregnancy. Okay, so the ovaries are the vital organ in the female reproductive system, crucial for both reproduction and overall health. Their primary roles are egg production and hormone synthesis, which are fundamental for fertility, menstrual cycle regulation, pregnancy support, and synthetic health benefits. Oogenesis involves the maturation and release of eggs or ova for potential fertilization. Making natural conception is impossible without this function. The ovaries also produce key hormones like estrogen, which drive the development of female characteristics, regulates the menstrual cycle, and support bone and cardiovascular health. Progesterone prepares the uterine lining and implementation, maintains pregnancy, and support placental development. Beyond reproduction, ovarian hormones significantly impact overall well-being, influencing mood, energy, bone health, and cardiovascular function. As women approach menopause, declining hormone production lead to symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings, underscoring the ovary lasting influence on quality of life. So now, we're going to discuss about cervix. So what is cervix? Cervix is the lower narrow part of uterus that connects to the vagina. It plays as a crucial role in the female reproductive system by acting as a passage of fluids, protecting the uterus from infection, and enabling pregnancy and child's birth through its ability to open and close. Regular screenings are important for monitoring cervical health. So the cervix is the lower narrow part of the uterus connecting to the vagina, is a critical component of the female reproductive system. It functions as a passage for fluids, protects the uterus from infection, and enables pregnancy and child's birth. Its structure, including the external and internal os, cervical canal, and specialized epithelial cells, facilitates these rules. The cervix produces mucus that changes without the menstrual cycle, aiding sperm's transport and preventing pathogen entry. Crucially, the cervix health is monitored through regular screening like pap smear and HPV test to detect and prevent the cervical cancer. So during pregnancy, the cervix remains closed to protect the fetus, softening and dilating during labor to allow child's birth. Conditions like cervicitis, polyps, and dysplasia can affect its function, underscoring the importance of regular check-up. So next, we're going to proceed to fallopian tube. So what is fallopian tube? The fallopian tube are a pair of muscular tube that extend from the ovaries to the uterus. So, the fallopian tube are the vital pathway connecting to the ovaries to the uterus, playing a crucial role in female fertility. These tubes captures egg released from the ovaries and provide the site for fertilization, typically in the ampulla, through muscular contraction and cilia. They transport the egg or fertilized embryo to the uterus for implantation. However, issues such as infection, blockages, and ectopic pregnancies can compromise their function, leading to the infertility. Diagnostic procedures like hysterosalpingography or HSG and treatment ranging from the laparoscopic surgery to in vitro fertilization or IVP address these problems. So healthy fallopian tubes are essential for natural conception, ensuring eggs and sperm can meet and that the resulting embryo reaches to the uterus safely. And now I am going to give the chance to Miss Abugho to report the remaining two parts.